Welcome back to another week here on the Blizzard. We're still in Laax and it is sick as hell. In today's show we have Pound of Flesh, One Piece, One Trick, and we catch up with Sean White at Erin Style. It's the Blizzard. Izzard. Oh, eh, eh. And now it's time for the a hit a piece, a hit a trick. That means one piece, one trick in Irish. Yeah.
I'm Seth Hill. This is my one piece, one trick.
It's time for Pound of Flesh when we give away €150 for the EpicTV shop. This week's winner coming straight out of France. Check this poor sucker.
In foil. What you do is take the lid off the heat and strain away that liquid.
That's right, you just won €150 for the EpicTV shop with that slam. Well done. Now it's time for the Sean White interview. Testicles.
Oh! Testing. Testes.
Testicles.
Testicles. Testes.
Hey, Sean White, we're not going to talk snowboarding. We're going to
Okay.
talk music. Your favorite band of all time.
Led Zeppelin would have to be.
Nice.
Favorite guitar riff of all time.
Jimi Hendrix, Purple Haze.
What song makes your ears bleed, sir?
Oh God. Oh, I know it. It's is it Magic? You heard that? That why you gotta be so rude? It hurt me to sing it for you right there.
It hurt my ears. You can't see the blood coming out of my bleeding ears.
okay.
It wasn't
Mine
your
you
singing.
can,
It was
yeah.
the song. It wasn't you.
Oh, it was both. It hurt on multi levels. So
We should have like a
thanks
sing-off
for bringing
someday.
that up. Please no.
Sean White, thank you very much.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
That's it for today. Make sure you trost your slams at the Blizzard at epictv.com. You can follow me on Instagram at Noel Reynolds. And we got Facebook and it's the Blizzard Snowboard Show. See you all on Thursday. It's Burton European Open up here in Laax and it's gonna go off. We're out.
God.